Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. What you're seeing here is the EAA Biplane. Was formerly yellow. This was the yellow that it had before. So what's going on with this bird? As you can see, I'm recovering it. It is all going to be white, but there are going to be slight inclinations. There's going to be, along most of the leading edges, there will be a little bit of blue, specifically on the top wing and the bottom wing. The nose cowling will also have blue on it, a little bit of blue with white. I'll be putting like a little trim of blue right here and just a little lint of blue on the top. So it's still going to have white and blue just to make it easier. As you can see, I replaced the big balloony tires that were on it. I think these will work a lot better. I'm still thinking about putting wheel pants on it, but I don't know yet. And I painted the landing gear black. I think it makes a little bit better statement. I'm going to put some wheel pants, like a wheel skirt right here. Okay, so it'll look a little bit, just a little flusher. Just, I don't know, we'll see. As it is, yeah, I'm gonna do that. I think it'll look really cool. Tail wheel is still the same color as the old yellow, but I'll paint that by hand. That'll be easy to paint. I'll probably paint a little bit of blue on the bottom there. And so this is the state of things as we go. I took the pilot out. It was a female. I don't like that. I'd much rather put a male inside here. I'm sexist that way. This portion right here will be blue. That's the turtle deck. So this is not going to be red anymore. Actually, this whole cover piece right here will be blue. So this is just going to change color completely. And I'm going to get another pilot with maybe put a pilot name on the opposite side and on this side, just to give it a little bit more accent to it. And yeah, that's about it right now. That's really the gist of what's going on with this plane. I got to get more white. I don't think I have enough white to cover the wings. The wings are pretty big. These are the wings right here. And you can see the original yellow color. It's peeling. It's broken. They were screwed on. So I've got to make sure that everything fits perfectly and flush. These were actually poked in, so I got to look for the holes on that thing again. So, yeah, these are the wings for it. I'm not too sure why there is this here. I have to figure that one out. I have no idea what that's for. I guess I'll find out eventually. But, yeah, that's the way things are for right now. And I'll keep banging along on it. But, yeah, the whole wing will change color to white, and then there'll be blue along the edge. And then what I'm going to do is make it a little bit of a curve here with blue. So it'll blue out like this along the tip. And that's it. I think what I have thought in my head will look really, really cool. If you guys are looking at this bird here, that's another biplane that I need to work on too. And it's going to be made into a electric aircraft also. So, all right, guys, that's it for now. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Model Man Frank out.